channels. The massive stainless steel screw press applies immense pressure, crushing the copra. This high-pressure extraction forces the automated systems provide precise data, crucial for our industrial quality control standards.
The temperature delta is stable across the third exchanger, well within the projected parameters. Good. Let's maintain the flow rate and monitor the pressure differential closely.
This facility represents the pinnacle of modern engineering, ensuring precision at every stage of the blending process.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It's holding steady at 95% capacity.
The refining units utilize a powerful vacuum to remove trapped air, significantly enhancing the material's structural integrity. As the bars move at high speed, the automated check weigher identifies and rejects any out-of-spec product.
The spectrographic reading on Module 3 is fluctuating. Rerun the sequence with the new calibration threshold. The reading is currently at 10.5%.
Consistent with the previous batch. Log it and print the ticket.
This peak right here indicates the concentration of the top note. Yes, I see that. The formulation consistency is holding steady across the batch.
Reroute the eastbound convoy through the Kansas City hub. Acknowledged. Updating ETA now.